Okay guys, in today's video I am going to just show you guys a step-by-step process of how to do a patch around existing lights on a hat channel ceiling. Now this isn't a commercial bathroom for a client that I have done tons of jobs for. And so with these hat channel ceilings, they can be a little tricky. I'm a firm believer that 2 coats can actually look really good when it comes to spray texture. However, on all my jobs, I always give my seams 3 coats. 2 looks good, but 3 looks better. And there's nobody that can convince me of different. And so that's the reason why I do 3. I can almost literally walk into a job and see if it was under prepped. You can see a lot of times some people, they do 1 coat and then spray it. Some people do 2 coats, and even then that's pretty noticeable. So that's the reason why I do 3 no matter what, because 2 may be good, but 3 is better. Keep that in mind. Hope that you learned something from this video. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be doing this patch right here, and then this positive flow fan needs to need to put some backing right there. That way I can do that patch, and then on this side right here I'm going to have to put some backing back there as well. Okay, so look, I got this thing backed out right now, but I want to show you guys something. This fan right here, it's catty-wonka, and what I mean by that it's flushed out on one side, and then the other side is far from flushed out. So I got some backing in here just to go ahead and do the patch. That black stuff that you see right there, it's just a piece of painted end cap that I had left over, so I went ahead and utilized it. The cover plate, which is right there, that cover plate is just gonna basically void out the fact that this exhaust fan right here is out of whack. It's out of whack in the sense that one side's higher, the other side's lower. So now I'm going to go ahead, since I got it backed out, I'm going to just go ahead and do the install, the rough drywall, and tape it. Alright, there you go, I got it taped up, and I'm going to first coat it. I got a couple high shoulders, mainly because the hat channel ceiling, it's got a lot of things hanging it up, like tie wire, but that's okay. What I do is float out the high spot or the low spot. And that way I float out the low spot a little heavier than the high spot, and by doing this it makes the second coat way easier. Okay, there you go. That's after 1 coat, 5-minute mud. I'm ready for the second coat. I basically, like I said, I put a little bit heavier on the high side because there are some high shoulders, some awkward stuff going on with this hat channel ceiling, but it's all good. When it's done, it's going to look amazing. Okay, I got this thing masked off and 3rd coated. As you can see, the color is different because I just use full weight. I just use full body, no water added, regular mud box. Okay, so I will be spraying it from this angle, just because I don't want overspray on the wall. I'm just going to be shooting it up this way, and I'm going to be shooting it up this way. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I'll show you guys the end result, what it looks like up close when it's done, just to show you what a quality, perfect spray texture patch match that I do every time I do this. Alright, there you go. It's sprayed, man. Sprayed, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's sprayed. Just an orange peel texture. Perfect blend. Alright, but there you have it. Just keep in mind that when you spray it, just go left to right, back and forth. And with that, hope you enjoy it. Alright, so there you have it. Just a little patch. I really love those little jobs because you get in and you get out and get paid. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, always feel free to leave a comment on at the very bottom. With that being said, just want to remind you guys that you guys are all appreciated. And have a great day.